Hello my dear viewers, welcome you all to Scorpio class Hindi. In today's video, I have brought a new chapter from class 8, Mera Desh Meri Maa. This chapter is about the soldiers. Who is a soldier and what he does to his country and how his life is. Everything we will see in this chapter. And we will also learn about Ichogil Canal. What is Ichogil Canal? Okay. Uh, See, there was a war between India and Pakistan in the year 1965, and why this war started because of Ichogil Canal. That also we will see in this chapter. शत्रु से देश की रक्षा करना देशवासियों का परम पुनित कर्तव्य होता है। लड़ाई में पीठ दिखाकर भागना नहीं चाहिए, सीना तान कर आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, तभी तो वीर विजयमाला पहनते हैं। इस घटना से बच्चों में साहस और वीरता का भाव जगता है, वे अपने कर्तव्य के प्रति सजग होते हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल सी दी हार्ड वर्ड्स। शत्रु, शत्रु मीन्स एनिमी। रक्षा, रक्षा मीन्स प्रोटेक्शन। देशवासियों मीन्स कंट्रीमेन। परम पुनित कर्तव्य मीन्स मोस्ट सेक्रेड ड्यूटी। विजयमाला, विजयमाला मीन्स मेडल। साहस, साहस मीन्स ब्रेवरी, करेज। वीरता, वीरता also means bravery. Sajag, sajag means alert. Okay, so it is the most sacred duty, most important duty of countrymen to protect their country from enemies. Yes, and we all should be ready to fight for our country. Whenever our country needs us, we should never show our back and run from the battleground. Instead, we should face it, we should fight with it. Then only we get the real victory. And when these type of stories students like you learn, they get courage and also they realize the responsibility towards their country. So from this chapter also you will get many things to learn. So let us see, this is Asharam Tyagi. Who is this man? He is आशाराम त्यागी। आशाराम त्यागी जी भारतीय सेना के मेजर थे। 21 सितंबर 1965 के भारत पाकिस्तान युद्ध में वे शहीद हुए। युद्धोपरांत उन्हें महावीर चक्र प्रदान कर सम्मानित किया गया। See, he was a major. Who was he? He was a major of Indian Army. Now, who is a major? Major is senior of soldier. Like how we have primary teacher, senior teacher, secondary teacher, and then supervisor. We have like that. So here also we have soldier, then major, and lieutenant commander. So step by step, uh, we have the post. So here this man, he was a major, he was senior of soldier. Okay, and this man, he was martyred. Martyred means he was killed in the war of Indo-Pakistan. He sacrificed his life while serving the nation on 21st December 1965, and after the war he was honored with Mahavir Chakra award. So this chapter is about especially this man Asharam Tyagi, how he sacrificed his life. Okay, so we will study everything in detail. You can see in the picture that here so many soldiers, they are sailing in the boat, they are fighting. Yes, so this is Ichogil Canal. Okay, this picture is Ichogil Canal. This is the canal, this is the man-made waterway, okay, where the fight was taken place. So now here सन 1965 की एक शाम हर तरफ शांति का वातावरण था, किसी तरह की कोई आशंका नहीं थी। तभी दुश्मनों ने भारत पर आक्रमण कर दिया। अचानक हुए इस हमले ने भारतीय सेना को चौंका दिया। छुट्टियां बिताने अपने घर गए सैनिकों को तुरंत वापस आने के आदेश भेजे गए। Here first we will see the hard words. वातावरण, वातावरण means atmosphere. आशंका means doubt. दुश्मनों, enemies. आक्रमण means attack. भारतीय सेना, Indian army. चौंका, surprised, shocked. छुट्टियां, vacation. आदेश, order. Okay, so in the year 1965, one evening there was peace everywhere. It means there was no type of war, there was no type of any fighting or quarreling, nothing. Okay, everywhere there was peace and happiness. and there was no doubt that any type of war will take place. So at that time, India was attacked. When soldiers went to their homes to meet their family members, to meet their loved ones, okay, so when soldiers were off the duty, when they were not on the duty, at that time India was attacked. So as soon as they got the news that that India has been attacked, they had to come back on duty, leaving their family behind. They got an order to come back on the duty. Okay. छुट्टियां बिता रहे भारतीय सेना के ही एक मेजर को जब सूचना मिली तो जाने की तैयारी कर उन्होंने मां के पैर छूकर प्रणाम किया। मां का ममत्व जाग उठा, आंखों में आंसू भर गए और उन्होंने बेटे को सीने से लगा लिया। मेजर का गला भी रूंध गया, पर तुरंत ही मातृभूमि का स्मरण हो आया। युद्ध भूमि को जाते हुए पुत्र के सिर पर हाथ रख आशीर्वाद देते हुए मां ने कहा, बेटे, इस समय राष्ट्र रक्षा ही प्रत्येक भारतीय का सबसे बड़ा कर्तव्य है। जाओ और दृढ़ता से अपने कर्तव्य का पालन करो। याद रहे, भारतीय परंपरा सीने पर गोली खाने की है, पीठ पर नहीं। So here first we will see the hard words. Roond gaya means to get upset. Okay. And Matrabhumi means motherland. Smaran means remembrance. Yuddh Bhumi means battleground where the war take place. Ashirvad means blessing. Rashtra Raksha means country's defense, country's protection. Drudhta means perseverance, continuation, firmness. Parampara means tradition, and Sina means chest. So here, after getting the news that enemies had attacked the country, one soldier, he started to pack his bag, and while leaving his house, he saluted his mother. And what his mother did, his mother got emotional, okay, because mother is mother, whosoever it is. She always wants her children to be with her, but this mother, she was brave. Even though her heart was filled with tears, was filled with emotions, what she said, this is the time when nation needs defense, and it is the biggest duty of every Indian to help the nation. Go and do your duty firmly with full dedication. And also remember, Indian tradition tells us to take the bullets of enemies in the chest, not on the back. Okay, so how beautifully she inspired her child. Yes. Then युद्ध भीषण रूप से फैलता जा रहा था। इच्छोगिल नहर का मोर्चा भारतीय सेना के लिए चुनौती की दीवार बना खड़ा था। प्रश्न उठा, इस अभेद दीवार को तोड़ने की जिम्मेदारी कौन निभाएगा? Okay, so here the hard words. युद्ध means war. Bhishan means horrific, terrible, very badly. Chunauti means challenge. Abhed means difficult to break. Okay, abhed means difficult to break, which is not easy to destroy. Diwar means wall. Todna means to break. So here the war was spreading very badly, very horribly. The war was spreading everywhere. There was noise of gunshots. Then at that time the situation was worst. Okay, there was a big challenge to our Indian army, that who will stand in front of enemies and take their bullets on their chest. It was a big question, because situation was worst. It was uncontrollable. It was like do or die. Then कार्य आसान नहीं था, सीधे मौत के साथ जूझना था, पर वीर कभी मौत के भय से रुके नहीं, तुरंत एक इसके दायित्व स्वीकार कर लिया। ये गांव से आए हुए वही मेजर थे। मौत की परवाह किए बिना मेजर ने मोर्चा संभाल लिया। वे धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ने लगे। दिल दहलाने वाली गोलियों का शोर कानों के पर्दों को फाड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था। Here, जूझना means to be involved. मौत के भय means fear of death. दायित्व means responsibility. स्वीकार means to accept. परवाह means care. दिल दहलाने वाली means heartbreaking. गोलियां means bullets. शोर means noise. Then फाड़ना means to tear. So here कार्य आसान नहीं था means the work was not easy. The work was not at all easy. It was the matter of life and death. Now the question was, who will stand in front of enemies? Who has the guts? No doubt all soldiers are courageous. They are brave. They are the most disciplined person in our nation. But here the major Asharam Tyagi, he took the initiative to face the enemies without fearing death. And he was the man who took his mother's blessings and remembered her words. And he remembered her words that motivated him at that time. Okay. And what he remembered, that Indians are born to take bullets on our chest and not on our back. And he was moving towards the enemies by protecting his colleagues. You can see in the picture, he is standing, he is moving forward, and he is taking the bullets on himself. Yes. देन मेजर पर देशभक्ति का जोश पूरी तरह छाया हुआ था। मौके का इंतजार किया जाए इतना समय भी नहीं था, इसलिए वे धड़ाधड़ गोलीबारी करते हुए दुश्मन के टैंकों को ध्वस्त करते आगे बढ़ रहे थे। हियर देशभक्ति मीन्स पेट्रियोटिज्म, जोश मीन्स पैशन, मौका मीन्स अपॉर्चुनिटी, धड़ाधड़ मीन्स नॉन स्टॉप, ध्वस्त मीन्स डिस्ट्रॉय. So at that time there was no time to decide who will stand first, who will move first towards the enemies. So in such situation, this major Asharam Tyagi, in whose blood patriotism was filled, he moved ahead and started firing bullets and destroyed the tanks of enemies. तभी दुश्मन की कई गोलियां एक साथ सनसनाती हुई आई और मेजर के हाथ व पेट में घुस गई। मगर भारतीय परंपरा सीने पर गोली खाने की है, पीठ पर नहीं। माँ के ये शब्द प्रेरणा दे रहे थे। वे चोट की परवाह किए बगैर आगे बढ़ते रहे और गोलियां आ आकर उनके सीने में घुसती गई। स्थिति को समझते हुए उनको पीछे हटने का आदेश जारी किया गया, पर मेजर के कदम रुके नहीं। दुश्मन के सारे टैंकों को ध्वस्त कर विजयश्री को गले लगाकर ही उन्होंने दम लिया। Okay. So here, this Asharam Tyagi, as he was standing in front of enemies and shooting the bullets, he was injured very badly as enemies' bullets were entering his hands and chest. He was injured, but as he was risking his life, he got an order to come back, but he did not listen to the order. The only thing that was going in his mind was that I am an Indian, and Indian tradition teaches us to take the bullets on chest and not on the back. He was not a person to run away from the battleground, and finally he won the victory by defeating all the enemies. तुरंत ही अमृतसर के सैनिक अस्पताल में ले गए, पर तब तक पूरा सीना गोलियों से छलनी हो चुका था। रूंधे गले से अधिकारियों ने पूछा, आपकी कोई अंतिम इच्छा है? गोलियां सीने में कसक रही थी, पर मेजर ने चेहरे पर मुस्कान लाते हुए कहा, हाँ है, मेरी माँ तक संदेश पहुंचा देना, तुम्हारे बेटे ने गोलियां सीने पर खाई है, पीठ पर नहीं। Here the hard words. Sainik means soldier. Rund gala means sore throat, dried throat. When you are sad, when you are in difficult situation, your throat gets dried up. So that type of dryness is known as rundha gala. Adhikariyo means officials, members, colleagues. Antim ichha, last wish. Muskan, smile. Sandesh, message. So so when he was fighting with the enemies, many bullets came and entered his body. Okay, so immediately soldiers of Amritsar took him to the hospital, but it was too late to save his life because so many bullets had entered his chest. Then the soldiers, his colleagues, asked his last wish. with their sore throat, with their dried throat, they asked, "What is your last wish?" Okay, so on that question, this Asharam Tyagi, he said with a smile, he said that yes, I have a last wish. Give the message to my mom that I have taken the bullets of enemies on my chest and not on my back. See, this shows how much soldiers are dedicated towards their duty, towards their country. Even in his last time, he is praising his country. We must always respect and salute soldiers because they are the one who sacrifice their life so that we live with peace in our home. Okay? जानते हैं ये बहादुर कौन थे? ये भारतीय सेना के अफसर मेजर आशाराम त्यागी थे, जिन्होंने मां के वचनों का पालन करते हुए अपनी मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए प्राणों की बाजी लगा दी। दीपक बुझ गया पर उसकी अमर ज्योति युगों तक देशभक्तों को राह दिखाती रहेगी। See, you can see in the picture, this is Asharam Tyagi, about whom we studied in this chapter. He sacrificed his life for the sake of motherland. Even his mother used to motivate him to serve the country, even though he is no more. But his good deeds and service and sacrifice that he gave to the country will always be remembered, and he will motivate us to follow in the right path. It is an inspiration to new generation. I hope you understood this chapter. It was helpful, and you understood the importance of soldiers. If you like this video and if you want more such videos, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.